Now let's write the word first with pencil, going over with a black gel pen. And on the side I've drawn some two cute postal stamp looking designs with some heart shapes to indicate love and Valentine's Day basically. And yes, you can change the style of writing, you can change the style of these postal sort of stamps, and you can always add your personal touch to whatever assignment we are doing any month. I'm going to take some colored pens and just scribble about. It's a scribbly, roughly colored style, just slanting lines, roughly done. And that's the effect I want to give, the little doodle sort of effect. If you don't want to use colored pens, you can do it with paints, or you can just keep them black and white, or however you like it. Have a great month.